Assalamualaikum dear student. Question number 4 of 6 exercise. Its A part is 15a square over 8 ab cube c, then multiply by another term, that is 4c over 5ab. See the term again. 15a square over 8ab cube c multiplied by 4c over 5ab. We have to simplify it. See now, as I have done previously, write 15 over 8 and multiply by 4 over 5. 15 over 8 here, 4 over 5 here. Write these as separate fraction, and the remaining here is base A and A. Here are 3 A at 3 places. It is 3 times base used as base. So write it 1 time. This is power A exponent 2. Here is minus, here is plus 1 exponent, but when you carry it toward the numerator, it will become minus 1. So write here minus 1 due to this A, and due to this A another minus 1. Okay, this A square 2 is written here, and its power is minus 1, its power is 1, but when you carry it to the numerator to above, it will become minus 1, and when this A's power 1 is carried to numerator, it also become minus 1. This is due to this one. Now there is B, and B is cube, so you will write as minus 3 in the numerator. When you carried B3 to the numerator, it will become minus 3, and when this B is carried to the numerator, it's also minus 1, because it is plus 1, so it will become minus 1 when carried to the numerator. Now there is C only, and one C is here and one C is here. So write this C, and its power is plus 1, and this one when carried to the numerator, it will become minus 1. I have given the exponents or powers to each of the base, each of the same base, and there were 3 bases A, B and C in our whole question, and I have applied their powers to one base only. And you know that if bases are same, we can add and subtract the powers, we can add or subtract their exponents. So I have added or subtracted their exponents. Now from here you can cancel these. 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. In the same table 5 and 3 occurs, 5 and 15 occurs, and 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. These also occur in the same table. So 3 over 2 here, 3 over 2 here, and multiply by A when 2 and minus 1 make minus 2, and for B minus 1 and minus 3 and minus 1 makes minus 4, because both are same sign, and we will add the same sign just like that. Minus 1 and minus 1 were same sign, therefore I added, and minus 2 is here. And plus 1 and minus 1, these are different sign, so these will be subtracted, and when you remove minus 1 from plus 1, the answer is 0. And you know that whenever the degree of any exponent or degree of any base is 0, it is always equal to 1. If it is a 0, it will be also equal to 1. So whenever the degree is 0, it is equal to 1. So we will write here 1, and the other term 3 over 2. From 2 subtract 2, the answer is 0 here again. So its degree is also 1. As you know that every alphabet or every base whose degree is 0, it is always equal to 1. If 10th degree is 0, it is also equal to 1. And for B, there is the exponent is -4 and C has become 1. So write it multiply by 1 for C degree. Right, C degree is 1, C degree 0 is equal to 1, so I have written here 1. Now again 3 over 2, due to A degree is 0, so it is also 1. You can write here 1, or no matter if you don't want to write, then no matter, but write here 1. And then B degree -4 or B raised to power -4, and plus multiply by 1 don't need to write, because when 1 is multiplied by these terms, it will be finished and it will not appear in the in our term. Now write 3 over 2, and because B has -4 exponent, change it into +4, so it will be in the denominator. And when 1 is multiplied by 3 over 2, the answer is 3 over 2 same. So this is our final answer. I think you are fully understood. If there is little bit confusion, this confusion can be removed in the second part B, CB part, that is 3 into C plus D over C minus D multiplied by 2C minus 2D over 8C plus 8D. In the first step, take common. If there are 3 is already taken as common, C plus D will be same, and here is C minus D. While in the next term 2 can be taken as common, C minus D inside the bracket, and 8 can be taken as common, C plus D will remain inside the bracket. Now you know that we have to cancel the similar terms that are in the numerator and in the denominator. C plus D and C plus D, these are similar, cancel out these. And C minus D, C minus D, these are also similar, cancel these. And now 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8, also these are also cancelled. Now the remaining is only 3 or 1. When you cancel out, there is 1. 3 1s are 3, 3 here, and 4 1s are 4. Due to this one, 4 1s are 4, 4 here. So it is our answer in the B part. Now C part. This is A minus 2B over 16, and here is division sign. 4A minus 8B over 24. Now you can see that first we have to change it into multiplication, then we should cancel out. So when division sign is changed into multiplication, this term is inverted. So inverted 24 will become as numerator, and 4A minus 8B has been changed into denominator. Now take common if any. There is no common, here is no common, but here is common. So we should take common if there is any common and write it as such. Take 4 as common, then a minus 2b will remain inside the bracket, because when 8 is divided by 4, the answer is 2b. Now you see that these two are similar. You can cancel these like that, and 16 and 24 occur in the same table. 8 2s are 16 and 8 3s are 24. So only 3 over 2 is the remaining part. So 3 over 2 is our answer. Sorry, 2 4s are 8. This 4 is also remaining here. 2 4s are 8. You will write 8 in the denominator. Okay, 2 4s are 8. 3 over 8 is our final answer. Now there is a D part. 8c cube over 6 into c plus d divided by 2c square over 3c plus 3d. In the first step, you should invert so that it can be changed into multiplication. C plus d, and after multiplying it is changed into 3c plus 3d in the numerator, and numerator has become denominator here. I have written this term below and this term above because I have changed division sign into multiplication sign. Now take common if any. It can only be taken as common, so take it common. Write 8c cube here over 6 into c plus d, multiply by 3 is taken as common, then c plus d inside the bracket, and 2c square will be same. Now you see that c plus d can be cancelled out with each other, and 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. This 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Again this 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Only this 2 is here, and c square, with c square you can remove 2c from here, and it means that you can cancel this c square by this one, and only c will remain here. So our answer is 2 and c. Okay, in this way we have simplified this question. This is the final answer of this question. Dear student, thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.